Hey guys, just gonna have a quick chat about the test and then, well, not the test, the exam. I was particularly looking at that last one of the questions. Oh no, Maisha, that's not good. Here comes the complaints. Hi, Tristan, hi. Everyone else says radius negative. Did we just have like jump from like 8 people online to 80? That's insane. Run. Okay, give me 1 second, folks. Trying to do something which delete. Oh, come on. I gotta maximize every one of these things. All right. So what we're gonna do is I actually want to do this question because I think I actually copied this question wrong. So gonna show you folks how to do this one. And then we can actually jump on. Now, I just want to get this right because I think I copied the question incorrectly here because that was supposed to be, was that supposed to be -1 at the bottom and +1 at the top? Is that correct? Like, let me just double check that. Hey Rev, okay, bye. Lean Taki Tacos, I'm basically, these are people sending me questions from their memory. Really, Griffin? Yeah, this is the algebra one. I've not seen any of the papers, guys. This is just, I'm just doing question from someone that actually sent it to me. All right, look, this is how you do this question, all right? Because I know it's asking for you to prove it this way. All you have to do was do FOIL here. So you kind of treat it like a normal quadratic. You just expand it, which means you're going to get x to the power of 3 over 2 plus half. Then the next one is going to be minus x to the power of 3 over 2 plus minus half. Because remember how you add the powers when you multiply with bases that are the same. Then I've got x to the power of half plus a half minus x to the power of, did I copy this question right? I hope I copied this right because now I'm getting nervous again if I copied it right or wrong. I'm going to get a half minus half. Let me just check. Was that the question? Because I don't know. Because I can't remember. Hang on. Like, where did the kid send me the question? Half, negative half. Yeah, that all looks good. And then for the denominator, you got to do the same thing. I've got to go x to the power of 3 over 2 minus x to the power of half times x to the power of 3 over 2 minus x to the power of half. So once again, I got to expand it like a quadratic. But I'm going to go back to the numerator here. So in this part here, this is 3 over 2 plus a half, which is 4 over 2. So that's just going to be x squared. Minus x to the power of this thing here is 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So that's 2 over 2, which means I'm going to get it as just 1. Plus x to the power of half plus half is 1. So this half plus half is 1. That's the green one. That's the yellow one. Then I have minus x to the power of 0 because this thing here is equal to 0. All that is divided by, I'm going to expand the denominator. So I'm going to get x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 minus x to the power of 3 over 2 plus a half minus x to the power of half plus 3 over 2 plus x to the power of half plus half. So looking at the numerator again, I've got x squared minus 1 divided by x to the power of 3, because this thing, 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 is just 3. And I've got minus x to the squared minus x squared plus x to the power of 1. So again, all I've done is I've just done that quickly here, but basically these two things here add up to 2 and 2. And then we've got a half plus half, which equals to 1. So carrying on, I'm going to get x squared minus 1 divided by x cubed minus 2x squared plus x. X squared minus 1 I can factorize as x minus 1 and x plus 1 over x is a common factor, so x squared minus 2x plus 1. Factorize it once more, and I'm going to get x minus 1, x minus 1. Cancel out my x minus 1s, and I end up with x plus 1 over x, which is the proof there. Sorry, I missed all the comments there. I gotta apologize me. Yeah, so that was, I thought I'd just do that because I know that every kind of question I pop up and people want me to do it. Now I only got like a couple of questions that were sent to me. I think I just got like a couple of questions. I don't have that many level 2 questions. There's like a trapezium question. Yeah, like, but I don't have the full information for the question. It's always hard when you guys only remember like little bits of things. Oh, Taco, why do you always put the money in there, man? Like, I can't even read through this. This is just crazy. I hate cats after the test. What's with the cats and cups? I keep hearing about the cats and cups. Cylinder cup question. I don't know what it looks like, guys. Like, I looked up to see whether NZQA has released the questions yet, but I don't think they've released it yet. Which one am I looking at? That was the Reddit page I was looking for. Yeah, I was having a look at like Reddit to see if there's any questions there, but there's a lot of angry people there. We're just gonna move on. Yeah, the 2024 paper has not been put up yet, so so what do you reckon we're getting for this, kids? Like, we're getting a 15 out of 24. I'm not sure when the papers get released, Jamie. Tacos, that was a Reddit NCEA thread, I think it was. Snapdragon. Ahan, if you have it memorized, yeah, you can send it to me. I've got like another 15 minutes before I can actually work on it. Volume is 500 mils for the cup. I'm missing it. 90 to 20. All right. It's not bad. Look, people, I think one thing I'm gonna say is this. Like, look, this. I know a kid messaged me and said that, oh, does university look at level 2 grades? To be honest, they don't. All right, so just like honestly, don't stress too much about it. I think it just depends on like if you are going to uni, and the universities will tell you which exact papers you're gonna need to pass. Not sure how many excellence questions per question. Sometimes it's 2. I think most of the time it's 2. Jules, is that all you have? Cylinder question is optimized surface area when volume is 500 mils. Is that all you're given? Oh, right. Ahan. Okay, I think so. You got a cylinder 500 mil. Okay, so 500 mil is the cylinder, and you want the minimum of surface area. Okay, so volume is equal to 500 mil, and they want to find minimum of surface area. Okay, look, volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times h is equal to 500. Now the surface area for the cylinder is, because remember, cylinder has a surface area like this. So it's going to have 2 times pi r squared plus, this is going to be the height, and this is going to be the circumference. So it's going to be 2 pi r. So that's going to be 2 pi r h. So, oh man, come on guys, how could we miss this? Because look, all you've got is like, you just write down h is equal to 500 over pi r squared, and then substitute h in here. Oh, but you're going to get an r in the denominator, aren't you? Oh man, they did do that. That's sneaky. So you're going to end up with 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times 500 over pi r squared, like this. Yeah, Jamie, you're on the spot, because you end up with 2 pi r squared plus pi's cancel out, one of the r's cancel out, and you're left with 1000 over r, which is the same thing as saying 1000 r to the power of minus 1. Oh, you can't see the screen. Sorry. Damn it, I've been working away slowly at this. Sorry. Apologies. I was kind of like looking at my screen there. I saw my main screen and then I was kind of working away at it. All right, I'll pause there. Yep, and then once you get here, you can just differentiate it, right? Because surface area differentiated, this is going to become 4 pi r minus 1000 r to the power of minus 2. And then you're going to get 0 is equal to 4 pi r minus 1000 over r squared. Cross multiply, bring it over to the other side. So you're going to get 1000 over r squared is equal to 4 pi r. And if you want, you can just go 1000 divided by 4 pi equals to r cubed. R is equal to cube root of 1000 over 4 pi. Yeah, I did differentiate, Vishal. You have to differentiate. No, I don't, like, Ollie, I don't think this is hard, like. Why is it minus 2? Because, Vishal, you're subtracting 1 from the power. If it doesn't give you units, Jordan, I don't think units matters, because you could just put it as Oh, I think I know why. I think I know what stumped you guys. Because remember, 1 mil equals 1 centimeter cubed. So 500 mils will be 500 centimeter cubed. So then the area would be centimeter squared. Maker runs. I don't know. I don't know what the question looks like. The 500 mils is just 500 centimeter cube. That's just set up now. That's interesting. I don't want to do gaming or general. I just want to do general. Potato Top. This is just people are sending me questions on chat. Rena, I don't have the questions. I'm just kind of going off the chat here, whatever questions people are throwing up here. I did see someone ask me the 3 roots question. That wasn't that bad. Yeah, Beckham, they did it today, and so people have been sending me questions today. Troll, we're on a streaming ban at the moment for games because the little fella got into a bit of trouble so we're not streaming at the moment. Raccoon, because I don't teach at a school where they do the exams, I don't have the paper, man. Bob, you had it right. I think you'd get achieved for that, definitely, Bob. If you guys got up to 1000 over R in that question, you definitely will get an achieved. I'll have a look through Insta. Oh man, Insta's just got like too many photos at the moment. Hang on, let me just see which one. IH, I think is that you with the graphics calculator? Because I need to know the full question. No, I'm not doing any questions. I'm just trying to find what. Okay, I've got another question here. I've got the cylinder question. I've got some circle question next. What the hell is this? Area of circle. Okay, so this is, I don't know which topic this is, but I'm going to try and figure it out. All right, so you've got a rectangle and then a circle and a semicircle. Area of circle, shaded region is, oh, what the? Shaded region is 10 centimeters squared. What is the length of the rectangle? So, is that 2 semicircles, that one? Is it the length of the circle or the height of the circle? I just want to double check. So it's 2 semicircles and 1. So basically the question just, I mean, if I was to redo this question, it will look like this. Is that correct? So it's basically 2 circles and this area here is equal to 10. All right, if that's the case, if this is R, then the base of the rectangle is going to be 4R, 2R. So we've got 4R times 2R minus 2 times pi r squared equals to 10. Is that it? Because then you'd get 8r squared minus 2 pi r squared equals to 10. R squared is a common factor. 8 minus 2 pi equals to 10. And then r squared equals 10 divided by 8 minus 2 pi. Because wouldn't that be 4r, like if it's the circles are like that? Because isn't it? It says it's a circle, guys. If it's a circle, then area is just gonna be like you just use the r's, the radius. Okay, so it asks for the length of the rectangle. So if it's the length of the rectangle, once you find what r is, so r is 10 over 8 minus 2 pi, then 4r equals 4 times square root of 10 over 8 minus 2 pi, whatever that is. Actually, hold up. I don't know, guys. I don't know what the questions are worth. Find value of k when the solution is numerically the same. Guys, look, I've got to jump on to the next stream because I've got to do the calculus stream now. So, look, it was good fun. I'll when I get the paper, I won't be doing a speed run or anything like that this year because you know, to be honest, I don't want to stress out people with the full things. I just thought I'd do a couple of questions just because people were kind of bugging me on the socials about it. Yeah, like, look, when the paper comes out, I will probably wait till the exams are over so people don't get kind of like freaked out. If not, I might just wait till early next year to release it, just with the right schedules and everything like that. But yeah, look, it's good fun. Catch you guys later. If you're doing level 3, well, any sort of level 3 next year, I'll be doing a probability level 3 in 15 hours playlist next year for sure. And I know you guys would have done level 2 already, so... But I'm going to be doing covering off level 2 probability and level 3 probability next year to actually get it done. So yeah, so either way, I'll see you at the calculus streams or the probability streams for next year. Thank you so much for everything, and just lovely messages on chat. That's, well, not this chat, but the other one on Instagram. It's always nice to hear from you guys. So yeah, pretty much done. Thank you. Catch you later. I'm going to be doing some calculus right now. I'll catch you guys later. All right. Bye-bye. Have a good break too.